shit back. Similar deep. SL, I am the greatest when it comes to this shit. I said, SL, I am the greatest. The nigga told them bitches pay me quick. Slim daddy the rapper twit. Told them bitches suck my dick. I'm in a whip and I swerve. I put your brain on a curve. I put your face on a shirt. You bitch niggas get hurt. Fucking with this young nigga, the slimmer. SL, I am a January, December. I swear to God, I put this dick all up in the liver. I don't get no fuck. A cold nigga make you shiver. Old time, smoking on that reefer. Sipping on that wine. No, I'm sipping on that drink of that hard lick. Holler at your boy and that I asked for the party. Live like 7 times and that nigga on it. Never died, I'm still alive. Slim dad lived like 7 times, so revive when I'm in that pussy. I told them bitches don't push me cause I'm close to the edge. Whole time I'll push your head. Holla at your boy Slim Dad, the fucking man. Get every fucking dollar as fast as he can. I don't give no fuck, I'm equal to my people. Nigga, shout out my niece though. I will decease you, fucking with my family. Ride around town with my motherfucking grams and that blunt. Smoke them up, Slim Daddy the fold up, throw it up. Holla at your boy, you scream, you get fucked up. Top of that handgun, gonna split you into half. Some daddy the dollar man, get all that fucking cash and I put it in a bag, then I divide it with my niggas. Whole time I'm getting high with my niggas. High bitch, I'm stoned off a cloud 9 squash. You niggas get stomped out your house. Some that the dollar man. I don't get no fuck. I make that bitch holler man. Put this dick up in her throat. Now she talking about some damn. I don't get no fuck shit. Put up in a bucket. I whipped it out. She sucked it. It's nothing. My music keep bumping. I'm on that block and I'm thugging. All about that paper cheese. That motherfucking money. Give it to me. I take it. Put it up in my pocket. Blast off like a rocket. Bitch nigga, I'm flocking. Taking all your belongings and giving it to my homies. The real niggas that own it. Y'all niggas don't want it. I swear to God, I be with demons. Chop a handgun, leave your ass bleeding. I don't get no fuck, Slim Daddy the dollar man. Get every fucking dollar, man. Chop a handgun and leave your ass split. Slim Daddy the rapper twit. Bitch, I do it for my clique. That a low like the 7/5. Hit your ass in your tip. I don't get no fuck shit. Came through bustin'. Freestyle, a doctor, the handgun, a chopper head whole time. Slim the doctor. SLIM back. Like the sun of the winter. Bitch, the rude boy, the fucking roster, the bomber clock, Batman, nigga, that hurry up though. I don't get no fuck, we smoking on that Madro. And we smoking on that dope, we don't match hope. Holler at your boy, Slim, that Max dope. And I told that bitch, don't throw it back, ho. Holler at your boy, Slim, don't scream. I got that infrared beam straight off your team. I look at this. I kick you with them Uzi, look at this. Look at that bitch, a big old bull. They told that bitch to throw it back on this dick real quick. Some that's a dollar man, I'm trying to get rich. I told that bitch, post up, some daddy the fucking fool. I'm smoked out with my motherfucking lagoons. I don't get no fuck with these bitch niggas, they do. Off your dome with this motherfucking tool. I'm a gangster, chop a handgun, leave you bleeding. I don't get no fuck, some daddy the fucking demon. Posted with my squad, the goons, just this evening. All at your boy, some daddy like a beast. Told that little bitch to suck semen. Fuck it, I'm nasty than a motherfucking bitch. Some daddy the fucking fool, he make the whip and just switch the herb. I'm fly like a motherfucking bird. How they poop on your turfs and swerve up in that whipper. Hop out that bitch and that burner get the spitting. Fuck it, I'm hotter than the oven in the kitchen. Chop a handgun, nigga, leave your ass wishing that you can be like SLIM. S that the dollar man, summer or the winter. Be with them killers, it rubbed off on me, so I kill anybody that's walking by me. Shout out to me, shout out to who? Slim Daddy the fucking fool. Shout out to Slim Deuce. Shout out Shantiana, hit you with the chopper. I don't get no fuck. Shout out my mama. Y'all don't want no drama. Y'all don't want no smoke. Y'all don't want no problems. Y'all don't want Slim Mo to come through your door with that fofo. Bow, bow, bow. Flow like glow, bang on your ass like they did in the summer. Some daddy no one to cover the low life nigga. Chop a handgun and leave your ass split it. Holla at your boy, you scream, you get banged on your ass. I don't get no fuck shit. Slim Dad beastin' and I don't get no. Never did or never will. Slim Dad the dollar man. Shot my nigga Chili Will. Yeah. I just be having fun.